Okay, today we are going to demonstrate how to repaint a wall. The supplies and tools we'll be using today: regular standard roller, a flat 2-inch paintbrush, and a paint tray, and of course a gallon of paint. So a good paint job starts with good preparation. I'm giving the wall a quick wipe down, scrape off any loose paint, spackle over any nail or screw holes. Once the wall's clean, we're going to go ahead and mask off around door frames, light fixtures. You can remove or mask off around electrical outlets, switch plate covers, etc. And I prefer using the blue painter's tape. I find it adheres better than the light tan colored masking tape. An important step to remember is to protect the floor under the area that you will be painting. So in this case, I'm simply using some brown paper on a roll. You can buy it at your local home center. You could also use plastic drop cloths or a tarp, so you don't have to worry about accidentally dripping paint on your flooring.
Woo!
And I'm simply opening the can of paint with a flathead screwdriver. It's important that you mix your paint before using it. Even if it's brand new and you just bought it, I still highly recommend you mix your paint well before you apply the paint. And if you don't have paint tray covers, you can simply put your paint tray inside of a trash bag or a plastic grocery bag, etc. That'll help keep your paint tray clean and make cleanup easier when you're all done. Make sure you roll your paint evenly onto your roller on your paint tray so it doesn't drip everywhere. And then just gently and smoothly apply the paint to your wall. Different strokes for different folks. So whatever technique works best for you here, this technique works well for me. Here's the finished wall. I hope this short video tutorial helps you with your project. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.